lag problem on PC, step by step. Hashed voiceover script. Is Capcut lagging or running slow on your PC? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix lag problems in Capcut. Step 1. Close background apps. Too many programs running can slow Capcut down. Press Ctrl-Shift-S key to open Task Manager and end unnecessary tasks to free up memory. Step 2. Lower Capcut preview quality. Go to the preview settings inside Capcut and set playback quality to low. This doesn't affect your final video export, but reduces lag while editing. Step 3. Enable hardware acceleration. In CapCut settings, check if hardware acceleration is available and turn it on. This allows your graphics card to handle video playback more smoothly. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your GPU drivers are updated. Go to NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's official website and install the latest drivers for better performance. Step 5. Clear cache in CapCut. Open CapCut settings and clear cache. This removes temporary files that may be slowing down the app. Step 6. Free up disk space. Keep at least 10 to 15 gigabytes of free storage on your PC. A full hard drive can cause editing software to lag. Step 7. Adjust CapCut project settings. If you're editing 4K footage but your PC is weak, switch your project resolution down to 1080p while editing. You can export in higher resolution later. Step 8. Reinstall or update CapCut. If nothing else works, update CapCut to the latest version. If it's already updated, try uninstalling and reinstalling a fresh copy. By following these steps, your CapCut should run much smoother on PC without lag. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.